Many of our foliage plants, that's plants that we keep for their foliage rather than their remarkable flowers, require bright shade to truly thrive. And flowering plants, on the other hand, require lots of sunlight. Some plants require up to 12 hours of sunlight to really thrive. And so why is this important? In planning our gardens, we need to place our plants in the right spaces so that they can really thrive. Hi, I'm June. I'm a plant and gardening content writer on my website, plantsintropicalspaces. And with me is Elaine. We're going to rearrange the front of her house. She's got some plants, some sun-loving plants that she wants to put in front of her house to replace the shade-loving plants that she had there previously that were really, really good. So stay with us while we do this. So this is the section of her garden in front of her house, the section we're going to work on today. And these aglaonemas have been truly scorched by the sun in this south-facing section of the garden. And that's why we need to move them. So let me show you what happens to the south-facing section using the Sun Path app I found on andrewmash.com. So as the sun rises in the east, that's the right side of your screen, it traces an arc overhead to finally set in the west, that's the left side of the screen. So for roughly 12 hours every day throughout the year, we have sunlight here in the tropics. And the sun is that red dot in case you haven't seen it. And of course, you know that it's the earth rotating on its axis and not the sun moving, but it's easier to picture it this way. So pay attention to where the shadows fall, the shadows of the building at different times of the day, and also the length of the shadows. So in the mornings, the buildings obstruct the sun's rays so that their shadows fall on the opposite side, which is the west side. And wherever the shadow falls is said to be in the shade of the building. Now, depending on how high the building is, a large area can be completely shaded throughout the day. The same thing happens in the afternoon to the east side. So plants in the east and the west sides of your building will get direct sunlight either in the mornings or in the afternoons. But you can see that the south side of the building, that's the side close to you, does not get shaded throughout the day. So plants in this section will get continuous direct sunlight for 12 hours. The time of the year also matters. But if you would like to know more about this, there's an article on my website called Chasing the Sun that explains it in more detail. I'll link the article in the description. You can also see a link to the app I'm using. And it's all done. So let us know what you think about this in the comment section. And if you found this video useful in any way, please like the video and share it with others, and consider subscribing to my channel to encourage me to do more videos. And also follow at Elaine's Plant Journey on Instagram to see her amazing plant collection. I'm also on Instagram as plantsintropicalspaces. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, bye.